How much does that cost? This workshop explores the strategies used by economists to make the best financial decisions. An economist explains what it means to be an economist. They explain how a strong mathematical background is required to understand the concepts of economics and to apply optimization strategies. In this workshop, 3 economic strategies are explored using real scenarios. The first scenario is that of internet hacking and uses a cost-benefit analysis to determine the value of taking out internet security insurance. The second scenario is finding a value for maintaining a local asset. The contingent valuation method is used to find the cost of the asset and thus determine a reasonable maintenance cost. The third scenario utilizes the multiplier effect to help make a choice between quotations when there is no obvious price difference. Each scenario highlights how mathematics is integral to applying each of the concepts. This workshop could be linked to commerce, economics, or business studies contexts. It has very strong links to real-life situations. Access to Excel or a similar spreadsheet is required, along with some printed replica money. In this workshop, students use a range of different methods for determining optimal decisions. The first strategy has the students using probabilities to compare the cost of insurance and the potential cost of an attack by a virus or hacker. The students will see how probability is used to make common financial decisions. The second strategy demonstrates how statistics are applied to estimate a value for Castle Hill. The students collect data from their peers and discuss why the median value is used in preference to the mean or mode. The third scenario requires the students to use an iterative reduction model on the computer. The model allows students to calculate the true value of similar offers to the community. Knowing the true value allows the students to make decisions regarding the offers that should be accepted. The iterative model is simulated using printed money to demonstrate how the model represents the real world. The workshop highlights how non-maths professions, like economists, use many varied mathematical models. These models rely on well-known mathematical concepts. These concepts are similar to those students learn while at school, even as early as Year 8. The workshop shows that there is a range of mathematical strategies used by economists and in other fields that could be modelled in the mathematics classroom. The second and third workshop scenarios also provide opportunities for the students to learn some Excel skills and see how technology can be used to simplify mathematical processes. The knowledge they develop in the workshop supports technology strategies that will be developed further at school and become significant in senior school. The complete workshop would take about 2 hours, but each scenario can be completed separately. Depending on the student cohort, additional time could be used discussing other common economics concepts, such as inflation.